Hello everyone. Today we will be taking the new topic from data handling, that is median. Do you know what is median mean? Median. Suppose that there are some observations, then the median is the value. This median is the value. It is the value in the middle of, or you can say the center, in the middle of any observation, any observation, any observations. But for this, the observation should be either in increasing order or in decreasing order. Means observation should be, first point which you have to keep it in mind, that it should be in ascending order, or descending order. You can keep the observation in either way, ascending or descending order. Then next point you have to remember, if observations are even, if they are even, then the median will be mean of two middle observation, mean of two middle observations. But remember, the observation should be either in ascending or descending order. But if observations are odd, number of observations are odd, then median will be middle term observation. Median will be middle term observation. So this thing you have to keep it in mind. Then only you can able to do the questions related to the median. So first thing which you have to remember, that the observation should be either in descending or ascending order. Then you have to keep it in mind, if the number of observations are even, then the median will be mean of middle two observation. But if the observations are odd, then the median will be middle term observation. And what is median? Median is the value in the middle of any observation. Let's do the concept of this median with the help of questions. Question 1. Find the median of these observations. So first thing, you have to keep all the observations in ascending order. You can keep it in descending order also. Now you have to count these observations, whether it is even or odd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here the observations are 9, which is even or odd? It is odd. So as I have explained it right now, that if the observations are odd, then the median will be middle term observation. So since it is odd, then the median will be middle term. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 and leave 4 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this observation, middle observation will be the median. So therefore, median is 42. 42 will be the answer. So what we have done? We have left these 4 from one side and these 4 observation from the other side, and in the middle the term which is coming, that will be the median. So median is the middle observation. Now let's go for question number 2, second part. These are the observation. Again we have kept them in ascending order. Now let's see how many observations are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So in this case observations are 10, which is even. So according to the concept, what should be the median now? In case of even, the median will be mean of middle two observations. So we will leave these 4 from here and these 4 from here, and in the middle, if you will observe, there are 2 terms. Since it is even, number of observations are even. So 4 from here, 4 from here, and in the middle the 2 terms are coming. So mean of these 2 terms. So how will you find out the mean? Add them together, 17 plus 27, and divide it with 2. Add them together and divide it with 2. So it would be how much? 44 upon 2. So cancel it. You will get 22 as a median here. 22 as a median. Now come to the next question. In question 3, again you have to find the median of these scores. So we have written it in ascending order. Now count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So how many observations are there? 10. So 10 observations are there. So observations are 10. So it means it is even. So in case of even, what will you do? How will you find out the median? How will you find out? So median will be the mean of mid 2 terms. Middle 2 terms mean. So leave 4 from here, 4 from here. So in the middle we are getting these 2 terms. So mean of these 2 terms. So add them together and always divide it with 2. So it would be 6 upon 2. Cancel it. So you will be getting 3 as a answer. In question 4, there are 2 parts. Find the median of 11 student weight, which are given in the kg, mean of 11 students. And then second part, if one student of weight 58 kg left and new student of weight 68 kg joined, then find the new mean. Let's go for this question. In first part, again we have written the observations in ascending order. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So here the observations are how many? 11. So 11 is odd or even? It is odd. So what should be the median then? What should be the median? Median, in case of odd, the median will be middle term. So leave 5 from here and 5 from here. Then in the middle, 52 is coming. So 52 would be the median. So this is the answer. 52 is the median. Why? because 5 we have kept it from here, we have left it, and 5 we have left it from here. Then in the middle 52 is coming, so this would be the median. Now come to the second part. In second part, it is given that if the student of weight 58 kg, this 58 kg has been removed and instead of that 68 kg weight has joined, then what will be the median? So we will remove this 58 and instead of 58 we will write 68 instead of it. So again we will write the terms in ascending order: 49, 52, 52. The terms which are coming once, more than once, you will write all the terms, all the observation. So 57. So instead of 58, now you will write 68. Okay. Now again you have to find out the median. So what you have to do it? You have to count the number of terms. So number of terms, again here it is 11, which is odd. So what will you do it in odd? Leave 5 from here. In this case, leave 5 from here and 5 from here. Then in the middle 52 is the term or the observation. Therefore, median will be what? Median will be 52. So this is the answer in kg, and here also it will be in kg. So what do you observe in this median concept? First thing, you have to write the observation in either ascending or descending order. Ascending or descending order. Then you have to see the number of observations odd or even. If it is odd, then the middle term will be the median. But if it is even, then the median will be mean of middle two observation. Isn't it? This concept is quite easy. Median is quite easy concept. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.